Welcome back mga idol. Wala muna sa music ngayon. Update tayo kay Doc Willie Ong. Nangyari sa kanya. Diba? Nung unang nabalitaan natin na nabigla tayo. Yan nga, mayroon pala siyang pinagdadaanan. Yan nga, mahirap na sakit to. Mahirap na kalaban ito. Pero sabi niya, lalabanan daw niya itong cancer na ito. Yan, panoorin natin itong update niya ngayon.
Sakit niya. Sakit niya. Sakit ng bukol. I-check my WBC. Sabi niya, paano ka nabuhay? Your WBC is 0. The news will be, Doc Willie died one day. He did not tell his followers. He lied to his followers. I owe it to the Filipino people to be honest to them. I owe it. Mahal na 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 mahal ko kayo po lahat. I think I got all this pain from negative thoughts, negative emotion, from all the hurt, from all the bashing I got from the 2022 vice presidential campaign. I got so many bashing. If you pray for me, I think I will get well. If you keep on bashing me, I think I will die. Hindi nyo naiintindihan kado ko kayong kamahal. Bawat takbo ko para po sa inyo, hindi para sa akin. Anong ginawa nyo? Binashin na ako ng binas. Sumaba sobrang loob ko. May isang basher nagsabi sa akin, Doc Willie, even if you run 10 times again and again, you will lose again and again and again. What did I do to you? Why do you hate me so much? Meters. This sarcoma, it is so destructive. It blocked half of my esophagus. See, it is hard to swallow. Ayaw pumasok. Bukod sa, hindi ko tinatawag na salbahe ang cancer. Binilak niya yung esophagus ko. Wala na ako boses. Na-dry na ako. Paus na ako. The old Doc Willie is gone. The duwag Doc Willie is gone. This is the new Doc Willie. This is the matapang Doc Willie Ong. Kaya pag sabihin nyo duwag at pagtok si Doc Willie, yun yung luma ha. Iba na to. Pasensya na po mga politiko. Masasagasaan ko na kayong anyway pa ako. Pagat ko dila ko, mas mali siguro sinabi mo, Doc. Anyway, I'm dying. I don't care anymore. A little rose. Sana drama na lang to. Sana TV show na lang. All these foods, they taste like metal. This watermelon for you tastes ordinary, but for me, watermelon and dragon fruit for bowel movement. That is the correct process of healing. You should defecate, pass your bowels, and urinate every day. Get all the toxins out. You know what my doctor said. You can eat anything. You have cancer. You try to eat. Even if no taste, I try and try to eat. If I don't eat, I will die. Her WBC is 0. My BP was low, 85/60, dehydrated, sepsis, vasodilation of the artery from possibly E. coli. Ow. Sakit niya. Sakit niya. Sakit ng bukol.